Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring the word acceptance. Acceptance is a C1 level noun that means an agreement to receive or approve something. It's an incredibly useful word that you'll encounter in both formal and informal settings. Let's break it down. When we talk about acceptance, we're often referring to situations where someone agrees to an idea, a proposal, or even a person. For example, her acceptance of the job offer was a turning point in her career. Here, it means agreeing to take the job. In another context, it could refer to approval or recognition, like in the sentence, "His speech highlighted the importance of societal acceptance of diversity." Some synonyms for acceptance include approval, agreement, and consent. For example, you might say, "The committee gave its approval for the new project," or "Her consent to the plan was crucial for its success." These words share similarities with acceptance, but each carries a slightly different nuance. On the other hand, antonyms of acceptance include rejection, refusal, and denial. Imagine someone saying, "Their rejection of the proposal was disappointing," or "His denial of the accusation surprised everyone." These words convey the opposite of agreeing or approving, highlighting the contrast with acceptance. In everyday life, acceptance pops up all the time. You might talk about acceptance in a professional context, like the acceptance of new policies requires open communication. Or it could be more personal, such as self-acceptance is a journey we all need to embrace. It's also common in social situations. The acceptance of the invitation made the host very happy. Here are a few more examples to help you understand how to use acceptance in sentences. The offer is contingent on their acceptance of the terms and conditions. Her acceptance into the university was a proud moment for her family. The community showed great acceptance of the new family in the neighborhood. So, to sum up, acceptance is a versatile word that means an agreement to receive or approve something. Its synonyms, like approval and consent, are great alternatives, while antonyms, such as rejection and denial, provide contrasting meanings. Thanks for joining me on this word journey today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using acceptance and share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.